Yo guys, in today's video I'll show you how to record voiceover in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Fairlight tab in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click on empty space on the left side, select Add track and choose between mono and stereo. Double-click on New Audio track and rename it if needed. In the mixer on the right side, select newly created audio channel. Click on Input and choose your microphone from the list. Close window after selecting your microphone. Now press R on the audio channel to start recording. Speak into microphone to record your voiceover. Press Spacebar or click on Stop button to end recording. Mute other channels if you don't want to hear background music while recording. Go to the FX library and select audio channel. Distortion, noise reduction. Enable it by selecting or checking box to activate it. Unmute channels and review your recording. Make adjustment as needed. And when you are done, you can save your project. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.